Hey guys, so today How'd Be Awesome, back with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing corner bookmarks. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do with this is see this is the paper. Never mind the pieces, because I just did them to that. Make sure it's perfectly lined here. Okay, once you're done with that, you're going to want to take the scissors. It's time to snip. Now we just have to pop that off. Here, you're going to want to need this because if you're going to make 4 corner bookmarks, you're going to want these for accessories. I mean, only if you want them. Okay, so once it's creased like that, open it up. And now, these steps for your corner bookmark are my own custom. The steps of making the square for the corner bookmarks. But, okay, so once you've done that, open it up. There's a perfect square. But, no, we do not. Sorry. See these creases I folded? That. Give a crease. Fold it again. And give a crease. Time to cut. Okay, so after this is cut, now just okay. So this we're gonna want to zoom in. Okay, boom. Now that we're zoomed in, okay, this right here. Okay, so when you do start it, the crease should be already there, or just make a crease in it. After that, after the crease, then right here. And then fold it out. From Ninjago. This could be Jay because he's my favorite. Kai, Cole, and Zay. And I'm gonna use these to color them. But yeah, meet you later. So I finished this. I need to finish the others, but this strip, you're gonna need it again. Now to make the accessories. Now we can. Judging how long this took, I honestly don't want to make Jay, Cole, Zane. I might do it later. But here's the final result. Zero does not touch the lightning. And I'll take a book to demonstrate. God, no, I have the whole series actually. Just go to chapter 6, I guess. Book in. hood. Open it up again. And still perfect condition. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see next, and hit the notification button for more.